Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage Lock BE489WB not working, reset, battery and troubleshooting. Fix 1. Check the batteries. First, replace with alkaline. Always use high quality AA alkaline batteries. Do not mix old and new batteries and avoid rechargeable or lithium batteries. Then inspect the contacts. Look for corrosion or leaking battery acid and gently clean the terminals if required. Ensure a snug fit. The battery pack can sometimes wrap or lose contact with the terminals. If your lock appears completely dead, but you know the batteries are good, try wedging a folded piece of cardboard or electrical tape at the top of the battery pack to hold it firmly in place. Fix 2. Verify internal wiring. If the battery replacement doesn't restore power, the wiring harness might be loose. So remove the battery cover and remove the two screws on each side of the interior thumb turn and gently pull the interior mechanism off the door. Then check the wire connection. Unplug it and plug it back in securely. And reinstall the interior plate and then test. 3. Check for misalignment. If the keypad lights up and the monitor whirs, but the door won't lock/unlock, the issue is likely mechanical. First, test the deadbolt manually. Open the door and use the thumb turn. If it is stiff or gets stuck, your deadbolt is misaligned with the strike plate on the door frame. Then adjust the strike plate. Ensure the bolt drops freely into the hole in the door frame without binding. You may need to adjust or reposition your strike plate. Fix 3. Perform a factory reset. If the lock is still unresponsive to codes, you should reset the lock to its factory default settings. Remove the battery cover and disconnect the battery pack. Then press and hold the black circle reset button located near the thumb turn on the interior side of the lock. And while holding the button, reconnect the battery. Then continue holding the button until the LED flashes red and then wait until it turns solid blue. And once the reset is complete, you can use the default programming and user codes found on the white sticker on the back of the lock. Fix 4. Check the app and firmware. If your keypad works but the lock is failing to connect to Wi-Fi or register codes from the app, use the Sage Home app to check for firmware updates. And make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network when trying to manage the lock. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.